everyone, Meghalid this side and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you to Kokrajhar, a very beautiful district in Assam, to attend Kartika Puja, which is performed by Coach Rasbongsi, a very old community of Assam. I am blessed enough to witness this puja as it is one of the Vedic culture and very rare to witness. It is very interesting to know that this puja is women centric. Only women can perform this puja. Kartika is a Hindu god who is believed to be son of Shiva and Parvati. Coach Rajbongsi people believe that Kartika is son of Shiva and Chandi. He is worshipped as god of reproduction and fertility of soil. There is a belief that unmarried girls do this puja to get a very handsome and good husband, and the woman who doesn't have child do this puja to have child. The entire night, the Coach Rajbongsi ladies sing the folk songs, dance on them, and perform the rituals. The folk dance that they perform in this puja is called Kartika Nritya. Their traditional attire called panini, worn by ladies and girls, make them look so dampened. It is one of the finest events that I have attended so far and I just love it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it. Thank you.